you'll be able to explore the 3D view of your project from any angle that you can imagine. To get started, you'll want to open up the BIMX link that's been sent. If we hold in Control and we click onto that link, it should open up a new tab in our web browser. From here, an image of your project will appear, with a play button in the middle. To access the 3D model, we just need to click on that button. From here, it'll take us to a loading screen. Now, so that we get all of the options, this may take up to 30 seconds to a minute to load the panel on the left-hand side. From here, if we now go to the left-hand panel and double-click on 3D, it will open up our 3D model. Once inside, we can actually navigate around in the 3D space. Now, to control how you move around in the 3D space, just on the left-hand side over here, we'll find all of the keyboard shortcuts. The main ones that we need to use are the move keys as well as rotate. Just with these two, we can pan around in our view, and using W to go forwards, A to go sideways, S backwards, and D to the side, we can use all three of these to be able to navigate through our 3D model. When we're in the 3D space, if we want to expand our view, down this bottom right-hand corner, if we go to Field of View and we increase it to the right, it's going to increase the amount that we can see. This typically makes it easier to navigate in tighter spaces so that we can see more of the internal view. When you're navigating around in the space, you might notice some of these small plan icons. If we click on this icon, it's going to give us some options. If we click Show in 3D, this is going to overlay the actual architectural plans on the 3D view. So if we zoom out, we can now see the floor plan in relation to the actual 3D. We can click and drag this floor plan up and down and adjust it to whatever best suits our view. We can then click outside. If we go down to this bottom right hand corner and click Cut Model, this will activate a 3D cutting plane. So if we click this plane and bring it up so it matches our model, if we bring our plan down, say to around about ground floor, and then take this cutting plane and bring it down just to the top of where our doors are, if we click outside of that area, we can then easily see our floor plan in relation to the 3D model. If we go back down to the bottom right hand and click Cut Model again, it's going to turn off this view. And if we now click on our ground floor, right click, and then go hide, it's going to hide the floor plan as well, which will give us a clean view to navigate the 3D. Now over on this left-hand side, if we click Model Index, you may have additional drawings ready for view. If we double click on the proposed site plan, this will bring up the 2D drawing from the plan set, which we can pan around and zoom in the view. In the bottom left-hand corner, we'll have access to Show in 3D. If we click on this, this is going to open up our 3D view. Now, if it's not showing the actual model, we might just need to drag the cut plane, which is this purple line just here. So if we click inside of this area and we click and drag it up, we should then cut through the model. If we click once more outside, we can then say click our proposed site plan and drag it up into the view so that we can overlay the site context with the 3D model. Using a combination of these tools, we can view our project from any angle. If we'd like to take a snapshot of a view, if we click on the three dots and then go to Export to PDF and click, we'll have a view of that snapshot that we've just captured. With all of that covered, I hope you enjoy exploring your project.